Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Glow is probably one of the most sought-after skincare ingredients for achieving that coveted radiant complexion, and for good reason, as it works wonders in improving skin texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and providing a significant boost in hydration, leaving your skin looking and feeling revitalized and youthful. Number 5. Amazon Echo Glow Kids Night Light. Introducing the Amazon Echo Glow, the newest smart night light designed especially for children. It works seamlessly with your existing Alexa devices. Simply pair it with compatible Alexa devices like Echo.Kids. You can then control its color and brightness using just your voice. Use it to add a visual element to routines and reminders. You can even set a color-changing countdown timer for tasks. It's the perfect bedside companion. Use it as a sunrise alarm to wake you gently or have it fade off to help you wind down for sleep. With millions of colors to choose from, you can create the perfect ambient lighting for any mood or occasion. Explore dynamic modes to create fun light shows. It can even react to music and sound for an immersive experience. Getting started is easy. Just plug it in and follow the simple instructions in the Alexa app to set it up in minutes. What we like. This smart lamp offers voice control with Alexa for easy adjustments. It can make routines colorful and even acts as a sunrise alarm. If you're looking for a fun and functional night light for your child's room that integrates with your smart home, this is a great choice. What people say. The Glow has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its powerful motor makes quick work of tough ingredients, and the multiple speed settings offer great versatility. The included accessories, such as the whisk and dough hook, are very useful for a variety of tasks. Number 4. B.TAN Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Introducing our Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Achieve a deep, natural-looking tan that's uniquely yours. Experience the next level of sunless tanning with this ultra-quick bronzing formula. It delivers a beautiful bronze without the wait. Enjoy the process without the typical fake tanner odor. This product is designed for a pleasant application experience. Our best sunless tanning lotion is also transfer resistant. You can confidently wear light colors after application. Get an insanely dark and long-lasting glow with the 16 fluid ounces bottle. It's everything you need for a perfect tan. What we like. This clear self-tan gel provides an ultra-quick bronze that is transfer resistant. If you want a natural-looking tan without the mess and the typical fake tanner smell, this product is perfect for achieving a deep glow on the go. What people say. The Glow has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its powerful motor allows for quick and efficient blending, even with tough ingredients. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 3. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our unique formula. It helps to refine your pores and reveal a smoother, brighter complexion. Experience the perfect balance of hydration and clarity. This toner quenches your skin while effectively clearing away impurities. Crafted with nourishing watermelon, hydrating cactus water, and glycerin. It provides essential moisture and a refreshing feel. Say goodbye to enlarged pores and hello to a luminous glow. Our toner works to minimize the appearance of pores for visibly refined skin. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine. It's designed to gently exfoliate and hydrate, leaving your skin feeling revitalized and soft. Embrace the innovation of Korean skincare. This exfoliating toner offers a sophisticated approach to achieving clear, healthy-looking skin. What we like. This exfoliating toner gently refines pores while providing hydration. It's formulated with PHA and BHA for effective yet mild exfoliation. If you're looking for a Korean-inspired skincare step to achieve smoother, clearer, and more hydrated skin, this larger size is ideal for consistent use. What people say. The Glow has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its powerful motor allows for quick and efficient blending of even tough ingredients. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 2. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover a new level of skin clarity with our innovative toner. It gently exfoliates while delivering essential hydration for a refreshed complexion. Experience the power of PHA and BHA working together to refine your pores. Achieve visibly smoother and brighter skin with consistent use. This unique formula is enriched with watermelon, cactus water, and glycerin. These ingredients work harmoniously to nourish and soothe your skin. Embrace the essence of Korean beauty with this expertly crafted exfoliating toner. It's designed to enhance your natural radiance. Our gentle chemical exfoliant is suitable for everyone. It effectively tackles dullness and uneven texture without causing irritation. Enjoy long-lasting moisture thanks to its hydrating properties. It leaves your skin feeling plump, soft, and revitalized all day long. What we like? This exfoliating toner gently refines pores while providing hydration. It's formulated with PHA and BHA for effective yet mild exfoliation. If you're looking for a travel-friendly size of a Korean-inspired toner to achieve smoother, clearer, and more hydrated skin, this smaller option is perfect for trying out or taking on the go. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. It features a powerful motor that can handle tough blending tasks with ease. The multiple speed settings and pulse function offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 1. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Experience the ultimate hydration with our revolutionary serum. It's designed to give your skin a plump, dewy finish. Infused with potent niacinamide, this serum works to refine your pores and even out your skin tone. Achieve a smoother, clearer complexion effortlessly. Quench your skin's thirst with the power of hyaluronic acid. It draws moisture deep into your skin, leaving it feeling supple and refreshed all day long. This versatile formula acts as both a hydrating serum and a luminous primer. It preps your skin for makeup while adding a subtle, radiant glow. Need an instant boost of radiance? Use it as a liquid highlighter to catch the light and illuminate your features. Get that coveted dewy look in seconds. Embrace the best of Korean beauty with this innovative serum. It brings you the latest in skincare technology for visibly healthier looking skin. What we like? This serum delivers a dewy glow with its hydrating formula. It doubles as a primer and liquid highlighter for added radiance. If you desire a luminous, glass skin finish and want to simplify your routine by combining hydration, priming, and highlighting, this is the product for you. What people say. The Glow has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its powerful motor makes quick work of blending even tough ingredients, and the multiple speed settings offer great versatility. The large capacity pitcher is perfect for making smoothies for the whole family, and it's easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.